Hello, there is a custom shape here. I will change the pattern of it. Let's find another one. Keep choosing the new designs here. Use it. Let's take another shape. There is a new designs to explore it. So we will take another shape here. Change the layer style into it. I will find another one. Try a new shape there. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.